Lights exploded in front of St. Peter and Paul Parish in Bantayan, Cebu as the magnitude 6.9 earthquake struck at 10 p.m. Tuesday. Moments later, the church's front portion collapsed. Meanwhile, the Archdiocesan Shrine of Santa Rosa de Lima sustained more damage as the church was almost reduced to rubble. Its roof and parts of the bell tower were destroyed. In Cebu City, chaos broke out at an international pageant because of the earthquake. Some hid under tables, while others ran outside the venue. On the Mactan-Mandawi Bridge, traffic came to a standstill as the structure swayed dangerously. Motorists were forced to stop their vehicles while motorcyclists struggled to stay on their bikes. Meanwhile, patients at the Cebu City Medical Center were brought out to the streets. Some who were still in their hospital beds were wheeled out to safety. In the town of Tabuelan, a road became impassable after suffering from huge cracks. In this footage captured by Bayan Patroller Jezreel Salave, a basketball game in Naval Biliran was called off as people rushed out when the ground started to shake. There were attempts to calm the spectators, but panic set in when the power went out. Looking at the map, the northern part of Cebu was the hardest hit.